Lights, camera, action, you dig? Yo, what it do? Chevy Boy Smooth Game, man. We are back with another one, man. At Best Buy car meet right here at Ronald Robbins, Georgia, man, off of Watson. It's going down in the major way, man. Shout out to Evolution, man. The car club is out, man. Mixing it in with everybody that's out here in the surrounding counties, man. We got some good cars out here, man. Good cars out here. We're going to start from the beginning, and we're going to go down. You know, Big Bernie is in the house with us today. Chevy game or no game. Y'all know how we get down. City to city, state to state, we do this, man. Respectably, man. So it's going down in the major way, man. We're going to start from the first one right here. They still coming in as we you know, filming. We've been here for a good little minute, man. But just to let everybody know, man, it's F Evolution. We out and about, man. We're getting this good filming in. There you go. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. I'm not gonna show myself in the camera right now because I'm getting the cars down right now, and that's what we doing, man. Yes, sir. Nice cars out here, man. Make sure y'all go check out the Instagram. Yes, sir, man. It's going down in a major way, man. We are here, right here at the Best Buy meet. What is the day? It's 23rd, September 23rd, 2022. Best Buy on Watson Boulevard. Sir, man, and they still coming in as we speak. Still coming in as we speak. Epic Evolution right here, man. The first car in Epic Evolution right here, and the second one is right here, and it goes on and on. Yes, sir, man. This is what we doing, man. Like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Chevy Boy Smooth on YouTube. 3 words: Chevy space Boy Smooth space. Well, I'm tripping. Make sure y'all get the Instagram. Make sure y'all go check them out. And decals in the back. Sir, y'all know what time it is, man. Showing love to the world. Showing love to the world, man. We are all equal. All equal. This is the leader of Epic Evolution, Justin. Big shout out to him. It's going down in the major way, man. Y'all already know. We will be uploading this tonight. I think they say it's the 23rd, September 23rd, 2022. Epic Evolution, man. We're out and about. We're out in the city. City, state to state, we do it, man. It's growing, it's growing, it's growing. As y'all can see our decap right here. And that's the name of the club, Epic Evolution. It's going down in the major way, man. This is the leader, and it's going down. Yes, sir. And y'all already know, Chevy Boy Smooth. Y'all already know what we got, man. We got Big Bernie, man. We got my oldest son with us tonight, man. It's going down in the major way, man. Chevy Boy Smooth at your door, man. Y'all see it, man. Look at the grill, man. Look at the front of my oldest son. You feel me? It's going down. Chevy game or no game, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Chevy life for life. Chevy life for life. Big Bernie. And we're going to show it all the way around, man. It's going down, man. Lights, camera, action, you dig? We outside, man. And it's a good day, man. And Our God is an awesome God, man. Y'all see my baby, my son, he got a little boo-boo right there, man. We got him coming in, man. We're gonna try to get all of him in. He just came in, we're gonna get him down. But y'all know, man, it's Chevy life, man. Chevy life. Chevy gang, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. We're at your door. Now bags up. It's going down, man. We got the coupe right here. Just pulling up. You mind off the camera?
Nah, you good.
Okay. Yes, sir, man. Nice coupe, man. Yes, sir. Just going down, man. We got Big Just in the building. Yes, sir. Now we got everybody. It was a Mustang pulled up, I want to see. Was it? Yeah, Mustang right here. Yes, sir, man. Mustang pulled up. What? This is it right here, man. We're gonna put this video. Epic Evolution is going down, man. We got everybody in. It's a good vibe, man. It's a good vibe. And y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all know it's smooth on the camera, man. Smooth what it do, you feel me? We at your door. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. More things are coming. 2023 is going down in a major way. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. Epic Evolution. We here. We are here. Like I said, it's good vibes. Lights, camera, action, you dig? Yes, sir. Subscribe.
I don't even know if I'm going to be going on the trip anymore either.
What? They said that?
So serious. Who said that? I don't know, because like, if you come back in February,
Lights, camera, action, you dig? Don't know how long we got, but we finna do a surprise Chevy Boy Smooth game. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. The car show, not car show, but car meet was great. We ended it like this on a surprise, a pop-up surprise. We in Big Bernie right now. Y'all know a Chevy game or no game, man. We gonna get to it, man. You got a Chevy game out here strong, man. 2 Camaros right there. You feel me? I love it, man. Back to back, Chevy. But we finna get in here because we don't know how long we got on this video. But we finna do a sneak up surprise. You feel me? This is what we do, man. Show love, nothing but love. Chevy Boy Smooth game. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Go get the merch. Call 478-714-9394 for all the merch. The lights, camera, action, you dig merch. And also the YouTube merch. Oh, music. You gotta hurry up, y'all. Music in here. Gotcha. Guess who's that? But we got music. Gotcha. We got it, y'all. We got this music, so we can't get copyrighted. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. This is what we do, man. Chevy Boy Smooth. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below.